to the Driven to Compete channel. If this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe button and check out some of the other videos on the channel. And if you see anything you like, please share with your friends. I need your support to grow the channel. And with that said, let's get to it. Today's an exciting video for me because I get to put my mom on camera for the first time. She's a bit nervous. And why my mom? Well, mom's a Porsche owner. She has a Boxster S here, and it's a work in progress. We would be done with the car right now if it hadn't been for this coronavirus outbreak. But she's got to have a clear bra applied to the front of the car here yet. Everything else has been done, but we had some touch-up work that had to be done to the front nose. And she's put wheels on tires, pretty aggressive setup there. Beautiful wheels, CCW forged. I don't know if you can see, but every one of those studs is an ARP stud on that wheel. That is beautiful, aggressive package. We're going to be putting a stripe on the car. But I wanted you to see the car because as a Porsche owner, especially a Porsche Boxster S owner, she's accustomed to how a car should handle and perform. And let me turn this back around on me here. So I've been twisting her arm, and finally she's going to take the my Golf R with the integrated engineering stage 2 93 high torque tune in it, with the DSG tune in it as well, with a whole bunch of bolt-ons. And if you're curious in learning more about the car itself and my build, there's plenty of videos on the channel talking about the different stages, and even going over the last video, which is going full stage 2. I have in the description a link to all the parts that you can purchase to duplicate what I did. With that said, you know, I'm excited to see what her impressions are of a Golf R. I'm impressed, but will a Porsche Boxster S owner be impressed? That's the question. So stick with me, and let's see what her thoughts are. So first of all, you got a camera over here. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Here's a camera here. You're officially recording. You're on YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Say hi. Come on.
Hello.
Okay, guys. So this is my mom. She's already given me a lecture. Apparently, I was swearing on my first video, so no swearing today. Mom has she's never been in a video before, so she's a bit nervous. Move your seat up, get yourself comfortable.
Yes.
Okay.
We're good.
So, you drove it when I first got it for like what? I don't know, 3 or 4 miles?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't take it for much.
No.
So, but you've driven your Porsche. Mm-hmm. You know what that's like. I don't expect this car to handle.
Can we put the top down like my Porsche?
Yeah. Rub that in. Rub that in. Uh-huh. All right, let's go ahead and I just want to see what your impressions are. Your Porsche moves out. You know how that runs, especially in sport mode. You're not even in sport mode. You're just in standard drive mode right now. So let's see what your impressions are.
Well, I always said I don't have to go 100 miles an hour, but it would be nice to go from 0 to 60 in a couple of seconds.
Great. You're clear on my side once that car passes.
I'm pleasantly surprised.
Pleasantly surprised. Okay.
I might have to tune my Porsche.
I've been trying to tell you to let me do that. I've been trying to let you agree to do that. Come to a full stop. Put your foot on the brake. Left foot on the brake. Right foot on the fuel. Put the fuel down.
Okay.
Go ahead. Hold it. It won't go any further. Go. Turn it. Floor it. You're good. Go.
Right.
Launch it. put your foot on the brake,
It's on
left
the
foot on the brake, right foot on the fuel. Put the fuel down.
Okay.
Go ahead. Hold it. It won't go
Okay.
any further. Turn it, floor it. You're good. Go.
Right.
Launch it. For what it is, it handles well. It does everything very well for what it is.
It's fun to drive. What kind of gas mileage do you get?
I don't know. Since I tamed it, I haven't really been able to drive it much.
That'll be
Obviously,
interesting
we've been at home this whole time.
Absolutely. Nothing
But you
around
saw
to
how
deal with.
the car wouldn't let you go over a certain RPM. Did you see that when you had it floored?
Nope.
The car wouldn't let you.
I was watching straight ahead.
Okay.
All right. Do you want me to do it again?
Sure, if you want
Didn't
to.
do it properly the first time. There's nothing around.
Floor it. Put your
Okay.
left foot on the brake. Floor it. Nope, you're not in. Hold on. There you go. Now go. Holy crap!
There,
You
we
were
caught the
spinning them
tire that
in.
time.
There you were going. You were spinning them in four-wheel drive. Holy cow! There you go. You can run this at the track.
You could run this at the track. I haven't run my car on the track yet.
All right. So if you want to go out of, say you want to go out of race mode, you just bump it, and you're in
Okay.
normal drive mode now.
It's a fun car to drive.
Okay.
All right. Do you want me to do it again? Just
Sure,
in
if
case
you
we
want
didn't
to.
do it properly the first time. There's nothing around.
Floor it. Put your
Okay.
left foot on the brake. Floor it. Nope, you're not in. Hold on. There you go. Now go. Holy crap!
There, we
you were
caught the
spinning them
tire
in-
that time.
There you were going. You were spinning them in four-wheel drive. Holy cow! Well, there you go. You could run this at the track.
You could run this at the track.
So there you have it, guys. Mom
I
approved.
like it.
She likes it. All right.
You did a good job, Sean.
All right. Well, listen. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back. There's going to be new videos uploaded every week. And as always, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Different to compete. Watch, like, subscribe.